Hello traders, today is 20th March, Friday 2020, and I would like to share with you today's best for trade analysis and the result. Before that, I would like to share with you my trading activities. As you can see, I personally manage 1270 pips today. Today was another amazing trading day, amazing opportunities, amazing analysis, and beautiful pips at 1270 pips. I'm going to give you a little bit more detail. I'll explain you that is possible due to the current market situation, and I'm going to show you my trade journey that's going to give you understanding that is possible. So first of all, I keep an eye on all the fundamental analysis, which is very important and key, and then I do the in-depth technical analysis live with alongside with traders, and the recording is available for my members here. During that in-depth technical analysis, I broadcast all the analysis at the analysis section, as you can see it here, and then as soon as the price progress according to those analysis, I personally trade certain pairs, and I also broadcast that information instantly in real time live at the analysis section and through live audio commentary support, so most of the members they can participate in that opportunities. So 1270 pip, this is the breakdown of all of my trades. I'm just going to pick up one or two trades just to show you the journey, and then I explain you why I open these positions and why I bank this, why I close this trade. So 138 pips on for best trade in the London morning session. This is the trade I've taken after the breakout of on the pullback, and I close my trade here. I'm going to explain you why I opened that trade and why I closed the trade, not just looking these indicators, but first of all, let me show you the analysis first. You can see in 710, I did this analysis, and when I put my stop loss at the break even and bank few pips, I also mentioned 729. I'll tell my traders it's time to bank some profit, and then I close my trade as soon as the price hit to the target profit, which I explained to my traders. Okay, so this is the analysis, and this is my trade entry, and that's my exit. But based on the 4-hour analysis, which we also share with all my members, I'm going to explain you here. The price was at this level today, and I said to guys, possibility of reversal. Price might going to respect because price was above that level, which I mentioned we need a valid technical entry. That's what I take a trade. Then I close my trade as soon as the price hit this level, and I said to guys, look here, 1 2 3, price might going to reverse. It's time to bank some profit, and that's what I close. So look at in a high time frame, 4 hour, and then jump into the intra-day analysis. That's what I did. So I bank 138 pips, and then I open a counter short trade later on at the New York session. Best trade was 131 pips. So if we look at this trade, this was the analysis. Basically, what do you see here? This is the flag pattern, bearish flag pattern, and price reverse, which I explained to my traders. And I said to guys, we need a valid technical entry, which I explained to my traders. And based on that analysis, I'm just going to show you here, pound dollar. This is the analysis I mentioned because price reverse, and I said to we need a valid entry, and that's what I explained to traders. And I took 3 position with a very tight stop loss, and you can see a bank has such a beautiful pips. Again, I look at in 4 hour, right? And that's what I explained to my traders. I'm going to explain you in 4 hour what happened here. The price at the New York session, price respected first, second, and third time, and I say guys, possibility of price might going to respect here, and then possibility of reversals, but we need a valid technical entry. That's what I did, this analysis at the shorter time frame, and beautiful short trades. And then I took long trade on euro pound. I just focus on the few pairs. That's what exactly I explained to my traders. During high volatility, just focus maximum 2 or 3 pairs and take the maximum benefit. And euro pound, pretty straightforward long trade, and I'm going to explain you why based on this analysis, right? And why I was explaining and tell my traders that possibility of, long trade. Why I said to my traders, because I was looking in 4 hour, which I explained to my traders, and trader have the same access of this platform, same charting. So in 4 hour, as you can see, price was as 90,000, big psychological support area. And I said to my traders, guys, possibility, as you can see, the price respected previously. I said, am I going to reverse? but we need a valid technical entry. So that's what I did, analysis that in euro pound, as you can see, and beautiful breakout long trade and bank such a good profit. And my last trade was 95 pips on pound yen. If I show you here, this one again, as a based on the analysis, this is what the entry, and this is my exit, based on that analysis which I explained to you here. This is the analysis. I did a flag pattern, bearish flag pattern, and beautiful short trade, and a bank is a 95 pips on this one. Again, I was looking in 4 hour. It's not just like, just following the indicators. No, we don't just follow the indicators. We take the indicators entry and exit. What happened here? I said to my traders, guys, look at this one here. Price respected previously, Bollinger Band plus here. Look here, 1, 2. If you draw a line here, 1, 2, third touch. I said, guys, possibility of reversal, but we need a valid technical entry, and that's why we use in-house intraday system, which I did this analysis for, look for the valid technical entry, and we banked such a good pips on pound yen. So now you can see, based on all these analyses, you can see 41 analysis today. It is possible, and I personally managed 1270 pips. So it's not a rocket science. It is possible, depend on the market condition. All right, so now I'm going to show you the analysis very quickly, and I want you to think that is possible. If you have follow all these analysis, that is possible to make these sort of amount of pips every single day. All right, guys, so just to recap, these are the intraday analysis as you have seen it, with the live audio commentary support. So on the left hand side is the analysis, right side is the trade taken based on that analysis. Kiwi dollar, pretty straightforward. I was looking in 4 hour. I mentioned, guys, to look for the counter short trade. Beautiful short trade on Kiwi dollar. Okay, I'm gonna do quickly because I've seen so many analysis done today. So I'm just gonna do very quickly. This was triangle pattern breakout short trade, and pound dollar breakout. As you've seen that I've also personally taken that trade. Bank such a good pips, 138 pips, right? Once the price broken, another sign you can see, this means we broadcast that analysis, this second trade through live audio commentary. Pound yen, pretty straightforward breakout long trade. Euro pound, pretty straightforward triangle pattern breakout short trades. And Aussie dollar, pretty straightforward. You can see channel, you can see price nicely respected. Came back here, short trade, and set to guys, price develop another double bottom at the resistance at the support level. Look for under because the momentum was bullish. Beautiful long trade on Aussie dollar. Dollar CAD, pretty straightforward, beautiful. You can see the pullback short trade. Pound dollar, beautiful flag pattern breakout long trade. Euro USD, beautiful breakout flag pattern breakout long trade. Dollar yen, pretty straightforward channel, basically pullback, downside channel pullback break and breakout short trade on dollar yen. Pound dollar triangle, that's what my trader explained, that okay, the price gonna come down. I said, guys, we need a valid technical entry, and that's what I draw this triangle. I said, look, you should trade what you see, not what you think. So we have another beautiful long trade on pound dollar. Pound dollar, now this time I said to my traders, now you should be looking a breakout counter trade, because valid technical reason price developed a double top, and I said to look at the triangle, so look for the counter short trade, and that's what happened. That's why we keep an eye. Trader, we all communicate with each other. If they need any help, they just message me. I'll do analysis for them. So beautiful triangle pattern breakout short trade. Pound Swiss franc breakout long trade. Pound dollar breakout long trade. Euro pound flag pattern breakout short trade. Pound yen triangle pattern breakout long trade. Kiwi dollar flag pattern breakout short trade. Pound dollar flag pattern and triangle pattern breakout short trade. Aussie dollar pretty straightforward pullback short trades, and Kiwi dollar breakout short trades, and Euro pound pretty straightforward and breakout long trade, and pound yen pretty straightforward. You can see this was the consolidation breakout, and channel breakout. Even after the breakout price retest, when I see these type of the trade retest, that's make me very high probability trade, by the way. So beautiful breakout short trade on pound yen. Beautiful dollar CAD, long trade. Again, this is not just based on 100% of this analysis, because we keep an eye for our key points, key levels, which is very, very important, fundamentals, very important, and then entry analysis. Beautiful counter long trade on dollar CAD. Most of my traders made around about 80 pips on this trade. Beautiful counter long trade on dollar CAD. Dollar Swiss franc triangle pattern breakout long trade. Dollar yen breakout long trade. Euro USD breakout beautiful short trade, and Euro USD breakout long trade. Dollar CAD pretty straightforward flag, triangle pattern breakout and pullback short trade. Euro yen beautiful breakout, a long trade, and pound dollar beautiful breakout. As you can see, the New York session, I did this analysis, explained to my traders the best way to trade. Look for the breakout and the pullback. As you can see, price nicely broken. And if the trader missed this one, I also instantly announce pullback. Beautiful to pullback long trade after the breakout. Beautiful. Pound yen, amazing, very sexy trades. You can see every time pull back here, then pull back here, and then pull back here. Beautiful pull back long trade on pound yen. Again, we will keep an eye on a high time frame. That's the key. And we were looking at counter short trade, but we need a valid technical entry, which as I'm going to show you in a minute. So you can see again, my trader was asking, oh, I think the price is going to come down. I said, guys, valid technical entry. Go with the momentum. Beautiful breakout long trade. Euro pound, pretty straightforward, beautiful pullback short trade. Pound Swiss franc, beautiful pullback long trade. Aussie dollar, triangle pattern breakout long trade. Kiwi dollar, triangle pattern breakout long trade. Beautiful. That's what I explained to my traders. Say, guys, look, well, this is what you can see. What here? Price broken this resistance and false breakout. That's give a valid technical reason. And then I was looking in a 4 hour, which I explained to you guys. The price tested the Bollinger Band. I said, guys, it's time to take counter short trade, valid technical entry, because we have very, very tight stop loss. Beautiful counter short trade. Euro yen pre state forward breakout long trade. Pound dollar flag pattern breakout, which you have seen. I personally bank 131 pips on this analysis. Beautiful short trade. Euro pound, pretty straightforward breakout long trade. Pound yen flag pattern, beautiful breakout short trade. All right, guys, that's it. I hope you enjoy all the description of the analysis. As you have seen, we had such an amazing volatility in the market. This is the best time to learn and trade forex, guys. This is very, very important. So I hope you enjoy. So and if you want to watch live intraday analysis in real time with the live audio commentary, most welcome to join our professional trader community at forexeasytrades.com. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for the latest analysis. And thank you for watching this video. I'll see you next time with more analysis.